Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to order groceries for pickup or delivery from Kroger's. Of course, there's other stores, and we all have our reasons for ordering or picking up. But regardless, first thing you're going to do is go to Kroger.com, and you can scroll through the home page to see the various things on sale. If you haven't already created an account, you're going to want to do that. You're going to want to sign in. And I'm going to blur my personal info. You're going to want to make sure it is for the right store by either zip code or location. You see pickup is free with a $35 minimum. Delivery is $9.95. And some things have to be shipped to your house. First thing I do is go to digital coupons, and here you can look at the various items. Just scroll down through the page and clip the items that you think you're going to buy. I mean, at this point, it's not like it's an obligation. It's going to put them over in another place, which I'll show you in a few minutes. Doesn't even mean that you're necessarily going to buy these things today. This one has 5 days left. Others have a month. Like this one, I see one on there that expires August 31st, August 3rd, just different days. So just scroll through them and clip the various coupons. This process takes me about 5 minutes, but I've been doing it a while, so it'll take you a little longer your first couple of times. If you see something that you want, you can add it to your cart now. You can add multiples of them, take them back away. You can click shop all items and it'll show you all the various items that are under that coupon. For example, this one has all the various orange juices under the Kroger coupon. I go to where it says coupons clipped. That's my coupons. And on the ones that I want to use today, I click shop all items, and then I scroll down to the items specifically that I want, and I'm going to add those to my cart. Again, you can change the quantity if you want to. On this Tide coupon, you see it's on sale for $2.99. I have $1 off, so I got it for $1.99. It's a pretty good deal. I probably should have bought more. Here's a $5 off delivery if you buy those products. I forgot orange juice, so I'm just going to search for orange juice and add to cart. I'm keeping an eye on my total because I have a budget. I'm looking to see if there's anything I want to add or subtract. At this point in the process, it's not too late to change whatever you want to change. And I just kind of keep looking through that, so I forgot something that they have. Again, I'm looking at my cart and adding some items that I've forgotten. Double checking. Had forgotten spaghetti, so I added some of that. If you want to look at specific details about a product, you can open it up and look at them. It tells you everything you need to know, including the nutrition facts. And here's some similar items You can do the checkout pickup, or you can change to delivery at this point. Make sure your address is correct. You're going to have to choose a day and time. It offers next available. It offers specific times. It tells you prices. Checking my total again. As you see, the delivery fee is $9.95 for me. And I have changed to pickup because I like to pick mine up if I have time. Again, you have to choose your date and time for it, just like you do delivery. And you hit continue. You will add your payment type if you haven't already, and then you submit it. You'll get a confirmation that your order has been placed. You have a limited amount of time to make any changes. If you're picking up, you're going to go to Kroger at your designated time, and you're going to go to the pickup location, pull into a spot, and follow the directions on the sign. Whether you choose delivery or pickup, it's a pretty seamless process. I've used it dozens of times now, both pickup and delivery. There's been some minor glitches, but usually their substitutions are pretty spot on. It often costs you less money. For example, if you've chosen generic and they give you a name brand, I really don't have any complaints about the process and would continue it regardless of COVID because it's a huge time saver for me. I often have my granddaughter with me. I don't have to drag her into the store if she's not feeling up to it. If if it's a Friday and I don't feel like going in shopping, I can arrange for it to be ready when I get there after work and pick it up and take it home. It's just made my life a whole lot less complicated. So I highly suggest or recommend that everyone try it once or twice and see if it works for you. And if not, well, then I guess you can go back to shopping in the store. But the digital coupon thing that I showed you works for in-store shopping as well, so at least you know how to do that. It wasn't a big waste of time. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so, and thank you.